2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, panic alarm. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.